Hi, this is your introduction to Cheqbook, a software that radically improves your ability to manage your small business's books quickly and easily. Like other cloud-based accounting software, we automatically connect to your bank and credit card accounts to download transactions and categorize them so you don't have to spend your time keying them in. Our opening screen is designed to look like a checkbook register, but you'll find that this also works as a full general ledger. By simply using this accordion, you can quickly go to any category, like supplies, and see the expenses there. Touring around, you'll see additional features like accounts receivable, including customer invoicing, as well as accounts payable, including check printing. You'll also notice standard financial reporting that your accountant will love. Additionally, but not shown, users can import their transactions from Quickbooks so they can easily switch to Cheqbook. We've built this software with all the necessary features your small business needs. But what makes Cheqbook innovative is that it finally fixes the major flaw in every cloud-based accounting service, which is that there are always transactions that any system will just get wrong. Cheqbook resolves this problem by telling you which transactions you can trust and those you can't. See these colored icons next to the transactions? Cheqbook features a patent-pending, truly intuitive color-coded system that allows you to focus only on the ones that need your attention. This first color green is your best friend. It indicates you've been there and approved that transaction. Like the payment to Netflix below it, we're changing now. Afterward, the icon turns green, telling you at a glance it's okay. Blue transactions are more like family. They know you. These transactions have been classified based on your preferences, as you can see when we filter for all Netflix transactions. The green one we just changed is here, as well as an earlier one which was just automatically categorized for you and now sports the blue icon so you know it's okay too. Yellow represents crowdsourced transactions. When your community regularly categorizes a payee, like say Quiznos, as meals and entertainment, your transactions with that same payee are coded likewise. These work best for payments to places you don't frequent, but they might need some attention from you. The red items are uncategorized, just like you'd expect, and do require your attention. So how does this color coding help you? Before we even built the software, we ran trials with real testers to see if this worked. Our software was specifically built to solve this problem. Finally, Cheqbook has one more feature you will really like. By going to the Access page, you can easily send an email invitation to a friend or your accountant to work with your books, or if necessary, just as easily turn off their access. This is especially welcome for your accountant, who now, with a single login, can access all of their clients in one place. We've built this software to be easy to use, but also have the features professionals demand so they'll encourage their clients to use Cheqbook as well. Cheqbook gives you real-time books with a lot less effort. We think you'll love it. Go ahead, give Cheqbook a try.